Okay, YouTube, what I thought I would do here is I want to try this flashlight and try the combinations of these alkaline batteries, the nickel metal hydride batteries, the 1 amp 3 watt incandescent bulb, and the 1 watt LED bulb. This one takes about 340 milliamps at 3 volts, and then a little bit more running on the nickel metal hydride. So we'll try 2 different batteries, 2 different bulbs, and what I'm going to do is fix the exposure on the camera to this light level here, and then I'll turn the other lights off and then just use the flashlight. I'll change that out here and we'll do the first test. Okay, so I've put the alkaline batteries in 1.5 volts each, and the incandescent bulb that's pulling about 1 amp. I'll turn off the camera light here and we'll see what that's what the flashlight does by itself. So let's turn it on, see what it looks like here with the alkaline batteries and the 1 watt LED. And there's that light. Yeah, kind of a more uniform pattern there. So that is that combination. Okay, so I've put in the nickel metal hydride batteries. I'll turn off the camera light, and here's the flashlight output. Looks pretty much the same, as it should, because this bulb is taking more current. It's taking about 390 milliamps at this voltage, and it was taking 340 milliamps with these batteries. So okay, now I've got the nickel metal hydride batteries and the incandescent bulb. Let's take a look at what it looks like here. You can see the light is definitely less. It's a lot yellower because these incandescent bulbs take less current as the voltage goes down, and you know, these nickel metal hydride batteries look like dead alkaline batteries. So yeah, that's definitely less light. That really shows you the power of the LED bulb with the built-in driver, because this bulb takes constant power no matter what battery voltage you have. So you can take advantage of a rechargeable battery, and instead of running for 1 hour, you can now run for 10 hours on the same batteries. So you make the batteries last 10 times as long, and you get more light. Okay, and then I'll just show you here one other test using a light meter here on my tablet. Get that on the screen there. So I'm using a pen to maintain a space, and I try to get the maximum light output as it varies over you can see how the image there is changing, and I get a light reading down here in lux. So what I did was I recorded the maximum lux readings I could for the 2 battery combinations and the 2 bulb combinations, and I'll just run over those. So I recorded the alkaline and nickel metal hydride batteries, the incandescent and LED bulb. So the lowest output I got was on, as you'd expect, with the lower voltage nickel metal hydride, I got 1470 lux. With the alkaline batteries, I got 1940. So you get about a third more light. With the LED, I got the same light output, 4158, on both batteries. And you can see that's better than twice the light output there, and it's almost 3 times the light output on the nickel metal hydride. So you get 2 to 3 times more light, and the batteries last at least 10 times as long. To show you the capacity at 1000 milliamps here, which is what the supplied light bulb takes, that flashlight will run an hour or less, and that's kind of what I found. I found that it wasn't good for much use at all with the supplied bulb. They just put too big of a bulb in there for C cells. If you have one of those old SnakeLights, at least swap out the incandescent bulb for a LED, and you'll cut your current by 2/3 actually, from 1 amp to 1/3 of an amp, which doesn't sound like much, but you're going from a 1 hour run time, yeah, let's see if that's 100, 200, 300, and you're up here at 10-hour run time. Yeah, that's a good way to go. If you've got an old flashlight, consider upgrading it rather than throwing it in the trash and buying a new one. You can make a perfectly acceptable new old flashlight. So yeah, if you like that video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put that in the comment section below. Check out my channel. I've got a video on using this bulb in a Craftsman C3 work light. And as always, thanks for watching.